Hey guys, I'm gonna do some BAM tutorial, like the thing I did with the last Knuckles. So I've already set up the controls so that it works properly. I did, I set the joysticks to be the touchpads, just because that makes sense for locomotion here. It's pretty great. And if I hold the controllers, it'll do grip button. So that'll be the pointy things. I should be able to climb with it too, like this. Oh crap. I don't know why it's so flaky. It might just be BAM's climbing mechanic being not so great, which is true. But grabbing stuff is great. Can I? Oh yeah, I set the A button on both controllers to be the A button in the game, because I noticed last time that would make me rotate. I think that's set up for the Rift, but you know, it works too. It works for the Knuckles too. Left, right, etc. Pick stuff up. Yeah. We all know this. See if I can throw it. Yeah, I mean, it works. There's some more grenades over here, of course. Underhanded throw, quite good. Can control it quite well. Just throw it in between those boxes over there. Boom. So yeah, that's nice. Casually throw it, and that works. So how I set that up is the grip set to a grab and then right grip button. It's pretty simple. And the A button is the A button. Joystick does the trackpad, thumbstick position and touch and stuff. It's quite nice. I can use either controller to walk because that's just how BAM works, I guess. And let's see. Can I? Cool. Gun. Quite nice. Let's get these handguns going. I'm not holding the grip button or anything, it's just doing it by holding the controller. I mean, the angle's a little weird here. That's probably just something needs to adjust or something. Maybe even an in-game setting I haven't looked at. I'm not going to mess with that right now. So using the joystick to do this works well. Reload it. It's great. Other handguns. Can I shoot the bottles? Yeah. Fairly basic stuff here. But yeah, it's getting used to the angle. That's probably the weirdest part. Because it's not like, I don't know if this is natural or not, but like the trigger is way back there. Doesn't really match up, at least we moved down and maybe angled up a little. But it's fairly straight from my sight, I think, as you might be able to tell on the video. I like this gun. And you got this tiny. How do you load this thing? Like that. That's weird. This is mostly for fun. I remember struggling with this one last time, I think. There's no clear sight on this. And this one. Where was it again? Up here. And the rifles, I never liked these because you gotta like manually pull back every time. And alright, so I'm just holding from the front too. And boom, boom. Why is this so close by anyway? It doesn't make much sense. Not a fun gun to use. This one isn't either. Guess that works. I mean, whatever. Don't like that one. Suppressor, does that work? Yeah, of course it does. Fuck it. I'm not even gonna try to figure out where that goes. Let's line up some sights. So far, this is a lot easier to use than the previous Knuckles was, I think. Just because you have more buttons to play with and there's a joystick and stuff. It's nice. Forgot to pull it back and even load it. Stupid. Back there. It's cool. Sniper rifle. Classic. It's the same thing I had over there, of course. Lots of legs. Boop. And then just... Is that flipping me off? Honestly, this needs a much longer obstacle course thing to shoot because these are way too close. But whatever. There's that, and this thing. Got it. Or like, you know, doing that. It's sort of cartoony mechanics in this, but how many can I fit? There. Bow and arrow, always fun. You let go of the controller to shoot, obviously. I've always liked bow and arrow. Sometimes you gotta rethink how much you had to let go before it let go. It's like a getting used to thing, I think. Honestly, proper bow mechanics, or like games built with the Knuckles in mind, I mean, would probably have better bow mechanics than this. They would use the frontmost fingers, the topmost fingers too, I think, to properly let it go. But should I be using my other hand for this? I don't know, I never know. Doesn't look like it. Seems pretty broken now. I'm ambidextrous, so I don't actually have a preference to how I hold things. I guess this makes more sense for it because you get the properly working scope. And some simple handguns. Melons, the classic victim of gun violence. Oh, that sucked. Probably because the accuracy of handguns isn't that great. It's really easy to accidentally hit the trigger though, because of how weak the trigger is on this model controller. But yeah, there's it works quite well. This time around I'm less fumbly with how to control the guns because I've practiced beforehand. That makes sense, right? I'll probably be playing some Pavlov later. In a few days maybe. And recording it with some friends, some regulars from Climbey. Because we play games on the Discord every Sunday-ish. And Pavlov has been coming up quite a bit. Pavlov plays really nice with these two because you have the joysticks with the walking. It's good. And we play some Minecraft with some bows, which is also nice. But yeah, Bam plays quite nice with this. What the fuck is that? Got him. I'm not sure if anyone still plays Bam, but it was an easy way to get a bunch of gun mechanics and stuff to show. I might try H3VR later, but I'm probably going to embarrass myself with how realistic the gun interactions in that are. Not that I've ever been opposed to embarrassing myself on video, of course. But yeah. Can't even throw that. There's probably better ways to like not have to let go of the gun or something, but cool. So there's that. Bam. Tutorial end. So yeah, like I said, next Pavlov, maybe. We'll see. Maybe on Sunday. So keep an eye out for that. I also like that this shows the Knuckles controllers model, because that's nice. It's a nice model. Right, so if you only push the stick without touching the top of it, it doesn't actually move you, because it uses the on-touch thing. You have to actually touch the stick before it works in this game. Not that that's a big issue, but... Alright.